Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. How are you today? How's everyone keeping? I pray inshallah you're doing okay, whatever the circumstances are. If you're happy, alhamdulillah. If you're not well, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you. If you're going through difficulties, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for each and every one of us that has difficulties. May He always increase us in our iman, make us better and better, inshallah. And remember always one thing, my viewers, when you are tested, whatever it is, when you are tested, always remember, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tests the ones He loves the most. Don't ever forget that. So that should make it easier for you to handle your test. Whenever you are tested, know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows the level of how much you can bear. So when He tests you, say, thank you, Ya Allah. Please don't give me more than I can bear. That's it. I pray everyone is still staying safe. COVID is still around. We need to be vigilant about staying safe. It hasn't gone anywhere yet. It's still around. So please do take care. Now, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Hijabz&You. For all you sisters that are here supporting me along the way, helping me to build this platform, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me. Your love and your support, your encouragement, all the beautiful comments that I get. It is absolutely heartwarming. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless each and every one of you for your love and your support. I pray He accepts all your du'as. Inshallah. Ameen, ameen, summa ameen. And for you, if it's your first time here, may you like what you see. May you like the contents that you see. May you stay until the end. And then at the end, I hope you like what you see. You know what? If you're just passing through, I understand. But stick around. Stick around. There's so much to offer, so much to see, so much to learn. Even if you're not a hijabi, it's a beautiful thing to watch. You know, we've got different colors, different styles, you know, the personality, sharing, interacting. It's awesome. So do stick around. Today, I'm going to show you how I have this beautiful chiffon scarf. Beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous, the color. Absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. And to top it all off, it's a square hijab. You know, I get very excited when I share a tutorial with the square hijab, because the square hijabs have become almost obsolete, you know. We have the most beautiful hijabs and they're sticking, you know, they're stuck in the back of the drawer because all these beautiful, you know, rectangular shawls have come into place. But you know what? This is why every so often I put out a square hijab tutorial, because I would like you to use those hijabs. It's important, you know, they're so beautiful. Why do we need to not use them? Why? Just tell me why. Absolutely, we need to use them. And I'm going to make sure every so often I bring you a square hijab tutorial so you can bring those hijabs out and use them. I want to see all of you use your square hijabs. And you know what? We can still make them look very presentable. You know, I'm a new fashion, but I've got a lot of old-fashioned roots, and I am stuck to the old-fashioned ways in a whole lot of ways. And I know there's a whole lot of sisters out there that are like me. You know, we see new fashions, we want to try it, but you know, something about the old fashioned, it's stuck in here. And we need to be able to use these new designs with our square scarves. Right? You agree with me? I think it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I think it's really beautiful. And I'm going to show you how I got this look. It's a simple look. It's so easy, absolutely easy. And I need each one of you to make sure you try it. It's simple. It's absolutely gorgeous. So please stay with me and I'll show you how I got this look. So I have got my ninja on today. Now my ninja is one of those that has the crisscross in the front. And for this tutorial, I would like to have it just like that. So what I've done is I've put a tube on the scarf on, and that gives it that nice look in front, and that's what it looks like. And this here is my absolutely beautiful, beautiful chiffon square scarf. It's so elegant. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's absolutely beautiful. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half, making it a triangle. Now, just making sure that I fold it on the, not the wrong side, but the right side. Okay, so here we are. And now, because I like a full coverage in a whole lot of ways, I'm going to fold it with a little bit overlapping. Just a tiny bit. Just. And I'm going to show you in a better angle like there. See that? Just a tiny bit overlapping each other. Like the back is a bit longer than the front. That's it. Very, very small overlap. What we're going to do is we're going to fold it. We're going to make sure that the front is even. And we're going to put it right in front here. Make sure it's even. Okay. So now I'm going to hold that very tightly. Now this is the fabric is a little bit silky, so it takes a little bit of effort to work with it. It's very simple. Just you got to hold on to it a bit tightly, put some pressure, and then you fold it in very, very gently. It's just a small fold in, and then you use a safety pin. There you go. Good so far? See that? It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this, bring it underneath, and we're going to bring it right here. See that? All we did was we brought that over here. See this here? What I did was pull it under and brought it in the front again. And then we're going to take this and just give it a little bit of a knot. Remember, I told you it's very simple. If you want to give it a double knot, you can. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's really beautiful, and you've got a really nice looking it looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, you don't have to, if you want to. I wouldn't do it, but if you want to give it a double knot, you can double it. It's very short, but we can double it up, no problem. And just just have the one end like that. It absolutely is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And that's as simple as that. We're using a square hijab. I'm showing you what the back looks like. Absolutely beautiful, 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 beautiful. And it looks amazing. Now, if you want a little tuck here, you can do that. But what you're going to do is use one of these stick pins with no heads. And I think I have one here if I can find mine. If not, I know I have one here. It's just a matter of, it just disappears because it's so tiny. It's a tiny stick pin. It has no head. And what you do is you just because you want it to be nice and uniform in the front. The fabric is a bit silky, so it takes a little bit of working on. And basically you're putting it there, you're giving it like a little fold, and it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I think it's nice. It's got a little bit of a pleat over there, and you've got your stick pin in there. You've got, it's absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. What do you think? Simple, easy, not difficult at all, and we've got this beautiful looking hijab style. Okay, now I'm going to show you with you on camera. I'm just going to slip this off very quickly, and I'm going to show you. I have done a tutorial already on it, but I'm just going to remind you, since we have the scarf and we have, it's a square scarf, I'm going to show you how we can really tie this beautifully, and it being a square scarf, right? So let's get this going. And I'm going to show you how we can wrap the square scarf really, really nicely. And we're going to just, and all we're going to do is we're going to take this same, we have folded it over, and we're going to use the very end of this here to make our, see that? The very end, see? And we're going to use that. Sorry, it's like I said, it's really nice, and it's a beautiful scarf. Look at the color, look at how beautiful it is. But it's got a, it's like, it needs a little bit of effort to work with it because it's silky. And I'm going to use the safety pin. And I'm pinning that. Now I've got the whole bit of fabric to work with here. We don't have to worry about it being short there because we are going to cover it with this. Now I'm going to bring this whole bit of fabric to the front, and I'm going to cover it and bring it over here. How beautiful is that? Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. And you've got full coverage, and you've got just one pin over here, and we're going to put a nice one of these long ones. Full coverage, same scarf, same scarf. And if you want to put some stick pins in here to keep things in place because it's a bit silky, we can do that. Just fold it over, pin it here, and we'll do that on the other side as well. Just give it a little bit of a fold and just pin it. And absolutely beautiful. So now we've got full coverage here. See that? Full coverage. We've got coverage in the back. Look at the hijab falling. And you've got the coverage happening. We've one safety pin, one safety pin, one stick pin here, and two here. How beautiful is that? That's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And now we've got this most beautiful full coverage with the square hijab, and it looks so amazingly beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, I hope you like that because I enjoy bringing it to you, and I enjoy showing you different variations. So try them, please. Bring out the square scarves, my sisters. Let's try these new designs that I'm trying to show you, and you know, helping you to bring out, like I said, bring out the square scarves that are sitting in the back of the drawers. I hope you enjoyed that, my dear. And if you did, please share it with your friends and family. Hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Press the all so you will always get the notification from Naz and Hijabz&You. Please do stay safe. Take care of yourselves. And be thankful. Thankful for every moment. Always remember, it could always be worse. So be thankful for every moment and make the best of every moment. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless each one of us and give us good in this life and save the good for the akhirah as well. Inshallah. Ameen. Ameen. Until we meet again, this is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.